this is for the PGB players, which are now going to be the PGB players for Pixelmon. Here's the Pixelmon mod pack right here where it says mods, and you will need Forge. Forge is very, very important. So you're going to go up here. I'm not sure, but I believe you guys might need a Google for this. You're going to click download. Alright. Right here. You should look, this page should look like this. Once you hit it, here's the mod pack and stuff. Don't worry about this. I did not put any viruses in it, I promise you. So you hit download anyways. And then over here, opening the mod pack. See, it's a zip file, so you'll need WinRAR or one of the other zip files. I have WinRAR. You can do the 30-day trial run for them if you do not have it to unzip it. See here, you want to save, hit the save, right? Hit OK. And then up here in the little arrow, I use Firefox as my thingy to search the internet. It might look different on Internet Explorer or whatever you use, but right here my arrow tells me it's done. Right there's the mod pack. Shorten up your little Windows thing there, or you can go to your downloads, whichever you prefer, but I usually shorten the little windows. Go over here, boom, put it on the thing, and as you can see, I already have it here. I already have the mod pack right here, so we're not going to do that, but as you can see, it's already been downloaded. I've been doing some testing on it and trying to find a map for us, and so we do have a map picked out, which is kind of funny. My oldest daughter said to put in my grandson's name, which is Benty, and it actually gave us a really nice map. So thank my grandson for a really nice map. And since Mercedes, my oldest daughter, she is 13 Khaleesi, she will not be joining us for first spawn because she's going down to Comic-Con because she's a cosplayer, and so she's already picked a spot that's hers, and I will have that marked. I told her I would mark that for her. So you click on this, and like I said, whatever program you have to unzip it, but mine's WinRAR. I really like WinRAR. It has a nice little setup here. I paid for the license for it so I can zip files. Still need to learn how to zip files in it, but I really do love it, their setup. So you have here where it'll open the zip file from Pandora's, and it'll open this. So it gives you the mod and the Forge. So the first thing is you're going to want to do the Forge. Okay? So you click on the Forge, and then you see it's loading. You say yes to loading it. Some extracted files from the were modified or okay. So do you wish to put them to the archives? Okay, this is different because I already have Forge in here. You would probably get something a little more different than I got. So, alright. Username, Pandora's, cannot open C. Is it because I already downloaded it? Maybe because I already downloaded Forge. But anyways, you should get a picture like this. Okay? If you do have any issues, please ask questions. But this, after it loads, this is what should come up. I already have it loaded in my computer, so that's probably why it's bringing up some of the other stuff. You want client. Install client. Okay? You make sure that's clicked. Alright? And then you're going to hit OK. Alright? Successfully installed client profile version. Forge version. Forge is a program that's set up to help mod packs work with it. Let's just get you out of there. Don't need you at the moment. I'm on a schedule, people. Alright, then you're going to go over to your Minecraft game. Alright? And let's let it load. Tick tock, tick tock. Okay, here it is. You have your name over to the right. You have over to the left, which I've already made it. I already created one. But I'm going to do this to show you how to create one. So, what you're going to do is this is where you deal with the forge. We're focusing on the forge right now. Click on new profile. Come up here and name it whatever you want so you know what it is. I got mine. It's making a copy of the Pixelmon for me, is what it's doing. So I got mine that says Pixelmon. So I know that's the forge I need for the Pixelmon server. Then you're going to go down here to use version. And there's the arrow. So the forge we downloaded is down here at the bottom. Make sure it's 3, because see I have the 13.2. You don't want the 13.2 if whatever other forge is out. You want to make sure it's this one. Alright, that's highlighted. 1.7.10 forge, 10.13.3.14.08 and stuff. Some of you probably already know that. I know some of you already know mods and probably won't be watching this video, but some of you don't. You're going to click on that, and that should be in there. So, Pixelmon, forge, make sure it's the right forge, save to the profile. And then it shows up in the little corner here. See? I have different forges for different things. And I put different names on them so I know what forge is like. See here, TropicCraft forge. That forge is for that particular TropicCraft I do and stuff. And that's what that is. So when anyone brings up forge, this is what you got to get into once you download the forge. Right into this stuff. Alright? And then it's a good idea to hit play. To get it up in there, to get it there, to get it to load, and that Minecraft already has. Now mine's already set, so I don't need to do this, but you need to do this. You know, you can even go as far as doing a single, you know, just to get it going. And then you can go ahead and hit quit. Alright. Now, what we got to do, it's time for the mod. Alright? So basically you got to get to your Minecraft file to put this mod in. Alright? This mod pack. So you're going to click on either you can go to desktops or click on your little library, however you do it, but you want to get to this. Even documents, you can do it and see this little, like, it looks like a little search thingy up here. This little icon, this little thingy, whatever they call it. As long as you can see the little arrow. Alright. We're going to put %app data %. You click enter. And as you can see, Minecraft's at the top. Awesome. Awesome possum. It's at the top. It'll be easy to find. Alright. And there's my Tekkit one I've told some of you about. But here's the one you want. Minecraft. You click on that folder. You open that folder. You got mod files here. Alright. Now, I'm going to go ahead and move. I already have the Pixelmon in here. These are the Pixelmon mods. If you want to see what they are, I'll even have a list of them. That's what's going to be in the mod pack. All right. So what I'm going to do, so if you have other mods in here, I'm going to show you what to do. If it's empty, just go ahead and delete the file and move this file over. But mine's not empty. And I'm going to show you, if you have mods already in there, what to do. So I'm going to sit there and bring up documents. Down here, whoops, where's my mods? I got a mods file. and stuff. Okay. And what I'm going... No, that's not it. That is not it. Where's my mods file? MP... We'll just go here. Here's good. This works. We'll just do this. Alright. So what I'm going to do is take this mod that has other... Say you have other mods in there. I'm going to take it and I'm going to move it to the other mods file. So it doesn't interfere with the Pixelmon one. That's why I always suggest Technic, because it has a launcher that specially handles that for you. Alright. And then here, we have to have a mods file. So you take this mod and you drag it over here. And it installs the mods for you. So then you're going to click on it and it looks good. Hopefully. I didn't do anything wrong. Hopefully I didn't mess myself up because I already had it in there. But it should be fine. Okay, for you it should be fine. So like I said, if you have a mods file and it's empty and it doesn't have mods in there, go ahead and delete that file and then move this one in. If you have mods in there, make sure you take that mod file and move it somewhere else in your computer files and then move this one in here. Alright? Now, what I need you guys to do, we're going to close out of there. We're done. We're going to close out of there. We're done. You can keep this and don't keep it on your desktop because that just takes up a lot. That's why I do shortcuts and everything. So what I'm going to do is put it in my documents. And I'm going to keep it as a backup if there's ever any problems. So I'm going to put it in my mod packs. So I'm going to put it right in there. It's out of the way. We're done with it. La la la. Okay, now let's get ready to play. Close out of here. All done. Click on your Minecraft. You can test it. Please test it. Make sure your computer can handle it or if there's any issues. Alright, make sure it's on your Pixelmon one, whatever you've named it. Best to probably name it Pixelmon. Click play. And you let it all load in. It's loading it all. It's making configs. It's getting the whole thing situated. And hopefully we have no problems. So far so good. Hit single player. And we're going to hit create a world. Alright. Name the world whatever you want. So let's do Pixelmon. Because you're going to try this out and make sure it works. You can do survival or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and put it in creative so I don't have to deal with survival while I'm talking to you. But try it out in survival. Try it out in creative. Play around with it. Make sure your computer's not having problems. You need to go to more world options. Why? Because it has Biomes O Plenty of it. And you have to make sure that the world type is Biomes O Plenty, or you won't get biomes. Okay, so just make sure that's there. Put in whatever seed or no seed. We're not going to put in a seed, so we don't need to worry about that. So we're done there. The name's done. We're doing it in creative. You can do it in survival, whichever. We're going to hit create new world. Okay, now for all of you who don't know what Pixelmon is, this is going to pop on, whether you're in survival or creative, because you have to pick your starter Pokemon. Keep that in mind, starter Pokemon. So you're going to click on, I'm clicking on Bulbasaur. I know, I've heard it. There's better ones. I don't care. I like Bulbasaur. Bulbasaur, he might be an underdog, but he's got heart and he's so dang cute. So, now we're in our world. Okay? And as you can see, we got Pokemon popping up all over the place and stuff. Alright? And there's going to be times where there's going to be battles. Some Pixelmon will want to battle you and stuff. And let me see if I can get it to where I can get this one to battle so you can see. Here, let's do this. There we go. Now, either you battle a Pokemon or a Pokemon when you spawn in might want to battle your Pokemon. That happens sometimes, right? So you're going to go ahead and do that. Oh my goodness gracious. Need to move this up because it's being weird. Here we go. Here we go. And so that's the battle scene. I'm just going to have him run out of there real quick. Oh, he couldn't escape. And run. Let's get out of there. Well, come on. You're telling me you cannot escape. So these are the things that are going to happen while you're playing the game. Wild Pixelmons will, some of them are a little aggressive and they'll want to battle your Pokemon. So if that pops up, do not freak out. In the beginning, do not freak out. That's where you got to pick your Pokemon and stuff. That gives you a general idea. Other than that, I left a link for Pixelmon Wikia, so you can check that out. But there you go. You got your mod pack, your Pixelmon. So the other thing is you can take a look here. All the different, these are the different things. These are the normal ones. Normal Minecraft stuff, but you have all these building. So it's got building mods and food mods and stuff. So you guys will enjoy that, especially some of you building ones are like probably, oh my gosh, I know what to do. Here's Pam's Harvest. So you got more cakes and sandwiches and stuff you can make. Because I thought these would really add to the game. I'm sure some of you would enjoy making some of this stuff. So it's not just Pixelmon. We have all these other mods so you can build and everything. So there you go. Basically that's it. Please try to get on single player and see if your computer can handle the mod pack. We try to keep it as small as we could. And we tried to, my phone. Sorry guys. It's been crazy around here today. So we're hoping that we have it small enough that the majority of you will be, nope. So we have it small enough that a lot of you will be able to play. I am not sure how many of you guys' computers will be able to handle the mod pack because Pixelmon is a huge mod in itself. And those Pixelmon, they freaking spawn like crazy. So you expect a lot of lag. Expect it. I got a good computer and I will get a decent amount of lag when there's a whole bunch of Pixelmon spawning. Or if I'm going into a new biome. So keep that in mind. And I really do hope everyone's computers can handle it. So, Witchmitch out. Hope this will help you guys. Please leave a like. Please click on the links. Please read the listen to the directions. Please don't make me post 1,000,000 times the same thing over. Please. Just watch this video a couple times if you have to. Alright? I love you. You guys have a good one. I love my Pandora's GameBox players. I will talk to you later. Bye. Oh, this is crazy. You know that, girls.
Yeah, it is.